This is a fairy ring, or elf ring, or pixie ring. It was once believed that one of these creatures danced in a circle and created this ring in the grass or in the woods. There's a lot of folklore related to these rings. They're caused by underground fungi growing in the top few inches of the soil in woodlands or in grasslands. Usually they're first noticed when mushrooms sprout up all around the circle. This one only has one giant puffball mushroom. There are about 60 species of mushrooms that grow in this fairy ring pattern. They start out in one spot, and sometimes where a tree has died and the fungus started in the soil around the trunk. Other times there is no obvious reason for the beginning. The more uniform the soil, the more likely the ring will stay in a circle. You will also see half circles and arcs. In woodland areas, the fairy ring circle fungi may be attached to tree roots. In lawn areas, the fungi may damage or kill grass roots. In that case, the circle may have dead grass in the circle. As it spreads, the grass grows back in the dead area. In other instances, the fungi are breaking down organic material into nutrients that the grass roots can use, and the circle is more noticeable for lush green grass. Sometimes you'll see both dead grass circle and a lush green grass circle. The fungi grows outward from a few inches to a few feet each year. The rings can become hundreds of feet across. The ring may break apart and new rings may form over old rings. There are no natural controls to stopping or removing fairy rings. They can last and be noticeable for a few weeks and then reappear whenever the conditions are good for mushrooms to grow back again, or they may disappear for years. The best treatment to take is good lawn care. Fertilize, water, and mow the proper amounts and the proper intervals. Fungicides for killing lawn diseases may have some effect if you want to try those. And this is Jeff for the Green Review. Thanks for watching.